Karbianglong Aratapan Birta Kimi Aruni Pioneer Cap Ani Pen Council Bus Chelengpo Teralang su jutang aklam pen purui anglong kiman lockdown ahut purui anghor kiroi West Karbianglong Amri Constituency Meghalaya Daisap Amsolong pen Roman Marjong Karbi Hidiarong PMGSY pen kasalam atawar kasay oy tek tikajok rat adum aningkang somsi chpaklang Kardom Kat News Prime Time Berta Than Bang Nili Junaliti Mupi Non Berta ang ton pen arju ikta Karbianglong Autonomous Council Rabas Aruner Kepani pen Karbianglong atoka noalong puthot cheleng tu popusi nilitumalong Berta nangle Lockdown nipli kep api Aruner Kep ani pen Karbianglong atoka noalong Karbianglong Autonomous Council Rabas puthot cheleng tupo Karbianglong angkang hum troxi ke cheleng jia bas laki lakha AS09 AC 8436 Difu pen Hamren AS09 AC 0405 Hamren pen Difu AS09 AC 8439 Difu pen Chokkihola AS09 AC 7799 Difu pen Samilangso AS09 AC 4093 Difu pen Bukolia City Bus Lapen AS09 C 9313 Difu pen Umlaper Henlo Taralang su jutang aklamalong lockdown ang bong purui tuksi purui anghor kiroi long abirta nilito malong birta nangle Lockdown mati kangkir kanghap arjir kiding oajok lun se piatum lun kimi lamet piatum lamjir kimi hirbang piatum hirjir bipan bijon ke thekatum bipan ke ot ajahak arleng ki sarame karatum lokitok lokelang therang ki thak thekasang piatum therang thaksi lockdown amo petulo pinang an ning kimiatum lockdown pensang han ing tijang thu kasedorde ka dure rataphan kirap pajirsi kisungahut munid adung patebok damsi rap damro di puteralang solong kido inut bang hiniame karatum tan lockdown ahut teralang solong purui tuksi kangkir kanghap amo chipado rui chin rui wat hai hui apurui inghor hini ki thomlong si purui kituk abang phuatum aning chiparong arjana long ki theklong ateng ki pinang an apurui ke anurak saide teralang so purui apula pen ajut arjan lang ikha West Karbianglong Amri Constituency ke Parlo Meghalaya along Ripen Daisap Solong pen Roman Marjong Karbi Hidiarong PMGSY pen kasalam kilometer phok cheleng atowar rat atum ani insam sisi aruni bhai troxia ni hamphanga song KSA Amri branch lapen khasi student union pen angparta local MSC Dominico Fingmaslai pen danglok lemsa chairman secretary atum kahumri ki pedo dama birta perangke penchen lang ratani pen birta nang pale KSA Amri branch committee amepu himari ingti kongchunbang babu singh milik lapen rapchunbang jetli kro tumpen local MSC apanla so towar kasalam kasai toya puthaki kam khedun alo pajirdun alang litum kahumri dampen bitik damlong laki side bam meteling lapen carpeting antak kiloria sai side ningkan phopi maintenance ku po ihong bom chita ningkan phop pleng oni thema abe kirintu kasalam jepan kewang thujike mentua kai puni Rular ki pakoi anta kasai koi thektik laso PMGSY skema contractor Milton Saikia chiparireng pen kaslama towar kasai koi thektik kaslam tanga dimata hinut pulamdo metelingan ta along pen along ki ing arpik long ni thektet anpien la pen along ki chokchit buta hada ki thektun long arada tumben phirang ke la pen song atuma phan than rat atum apatai batai kham khedun sitame RDNA la pen department alam anta arju dorde putara tumben pachini rat pen ki kham khe aphi la pen local MSC alam RD pipe pin pen site claim high ke contractor Milton Saikia la pen PWD umpanai division executive engineer atum kachiram dup ke klang dak pinong kaliason te site kilang dam pen bir selam pipe det nang jia porto sita la ana sai ki oi ke claim aphi anta bir la batai ke thom an and lopota birta long dun pinpur me labang software henlo amseng la pen karbi hidia rong asor achit helo la software kasalam pin achet pia sai ki oi ajong ratatum aning ki pung la pen ningkang samse chipaklang
la karbi di tu Roman Marjong amseng atowar nangasalam a contractor Milton Saikia alangle towar ekle meme nangatum thek logina atowar ta kang ar thekti gari jeklu yang maksud lang so towar salam tanon gari motor ke wang pen towar hinolablo lasi nili tum nona bang kar i bangai contractor bang dak ni tima KSA tum pendang lok rong asar pen rob asar pen taduga be penching wai pet petike ni tum so to war ke pe claim yi phan bang ni tum ke ki khang lo pusi ka mathalo lasi nangli tum ka duga be sarkar tum same piludu engineer non chief engineer non na tum wang pen ladak ang chelang ni pen ulukunchi ke do ulukunchi division sub division SDO lapen ke ma engineers tame wangve lapen SDO tum wang setame la tum contractor tum pen ko pin chingwai po anse lang tum bang kam pichok de titi la se piniar ni tum along ni tum local MSC diu phing maslai tum wang lo lapen KSA president secretary tum wang lo lapen chairman tum wang pen ni tum dak thek long lo je kam klem bang e chok chepin asap ta ke mewe
non malam so por phan birta mon ton peksena
Looking for your household essentials? MS Punctual Stationery, one-stop destination for your household needs. Here you will get table fan, ceiling fan, mixer grinder, rice cooker, groceries, electric items, plastic items, gift items, etc. Moreover, 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on table fan, ceiling fan, mixer grinder and many more. Stop pondering, just shop right away. MS Punctual Stationery, Rongkhelang, Difu, Manja Road, Karbi Anglong.
start here right anywhere. Eastern Motors, authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkhelang near Don Bosco School, Difu 782460 Assam. Easy finance available here. For more information, kindly contact Sales Bokazan 78961690021. For both Difu and Bokazan, you can contact 9957988008 or you can mail isanmotors@gmail.com.
Ganj Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam Enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Ganj Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Dihina Mopi Puthot Birta along Wangtulo. Dipurong Supia Hiti Pendievi Higher Secondary School and Non-Jong Kasalam Ponbom Kacheling Atawar, Kiklem Kasai Koya Jok to work Hinu Kicheng Birta, Kat News along Birta Nangle. Dipurong Supia Hiti Pendievi Higher Secondary School and Kacheling Atawar Kasalama Sai Ki Oya Jok Non-Jong Kasalam Atawar Hinu Kicheng. Difu ITI Adung Malom Atawar Kiru Kicheng. Laso Atawar Kapamesen Jiapan. Kuti-kuti tangkap panong ponlo sita contractor pen kiklema sai to oya job to work kiru akhir intang rak an pinlo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CAM pen kamat hapon di furong sopiang kang kacheleng atawar an kapamesen jiapan ongdung atangkap panong ponsi klem ponlo sita contractor atum amit hanga lekilong jiapan kamat harong at pen sai kiklem ki pangkre jok to work kiru meters pocket so say an to tanglo. Number 14, Korkanti Constituency ki Parlo, Rongjangpong Polling Station ang Kangkido Reson Card Kaviera Taphan, Aruni Pai Troxia ni Sangapen Dali Keron. Korkanti Constituency, MSC Mati Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Emrajuti So Kapin Karateng Pen Rongjangpong Polling Station ang Kangkido Reson Card Kaviera Taphan, Sangapen Dali Keron Asay Padopon. Sangapen Dali Keron Asay along Tikelang Jun Cooperative Lamps Chairman Amarjading T, Vice Chairman Giridhari Sunar, Gram Kendra Incharge Mohen Teron, Rongjangpong Local Committee May Pubida Singh Teron, Korkanti Mondor Committee Member Long Singh Teron, long kiteron long singrong pila pen haping ti itum chirap chitodon pinikar bi prime time angela pons kang ton pekla dumi thakme purwang thu